22-23 Tim Hortons hockey 3-card pack opening here. Here we do. For some short print stuff, let's see how we make out. We got a Jumbo Joe Thornton for Hockey Triumphs. Victor Hedman and Lucas Raymond base. Second pack. Yet another Hockey Triumphs for Mark Stone. Base for Andrew Mangiapane and Andre Vasilevsky. Last pack. Can we get her done here? Looks like we got a Superstar Showcase for Matthew Tkachuk. Connor McDavid base, nice. And Aaron Ekblad. The 3 hits, nothing crazy. Matthew Tkachuk's All-Star Showcase. And then 2 Hockey Triumphs, Mark Stone, Jumbo Joe Thornton. Not terrible.